How I cracked NEET without appearing for even a single mock test. Today I will answer 3 questions in a very practical way. That questions usually comes over the mind of every NEET aspirant. The first question is it absolutely necessary to do coaching to get a seat in a prestigious college? Second question is it possible for me to crack NEET without appearing for a single mock test throughout my preparation? The third question is it possible to crack NEET if I am not punctual and I am not regular? These are the questions I usually come over with from my juniors. So I'm gonna answer all these questions with some rules. And the answer is yes, of course it is possible. Nothing is impossible. So how it is possible to crack NEET if you are not punctual and not regular? Do you know what? I myself was not regular and not punctual at all, but still I had cracked NEET. How it is possible? It is possible. Be your own mentor. The first rule is be your own mentor, be your own teacher. We know ourselves better than anyone else, right? And you know yourselves better than anyone else. You know your weak areas better than me, better than your teacher and everyone. So, do not depend on the teacher of the coaching institute. Stop complaining about the teacher of the coaching institute and instead find some solution. If you don't understand from the teacher, go for the YouTube video lectures. This is the rule number 1, be your own mentor. Then, why you should be your own master? I have told you, because you know yourself and your weaker areas much better than anyone else. So you clearly know about in which subject you are weak and in which subject you have a good concept. So choose wisely the subject you will study at the morning and the topics you will have to give more time during your preparation. My smart plan during coaching was, instead of attending biology lecture, I used that time for physics. Why I had bunked the classes of biology? I bunked the classes of biology not to show myself as a cool student. Not to show myself that I am so cool, I bunked the classes, but to manage the time for physics, to find out some extra time to practice physics. Because I knew I had a better concept in biology than that of physics, so I should bunk the classes of biology in coaching center and I should prepare physics. In that way, I used to manage my time. So learn to manage your time by yourself smartly. Do not just follow your friends and do not compare your preparation strategies with anyone else. Be confident on the way you are studying and on the way you are preparing. Now coming to the second rule, always study the subjects you find tough at the morning hours. Choose the study time for each subject wisely. If you find any subject tougher, that subject should be studied at the morning hours or at the time when you are completely fresh. Do not bother about the regularity. If you are not a regular student, don't feel bad. In fact, I was not a regular student. I never loved to study regularly. One day I used to scroll through Facebook, another day I would compensate that loss by studying more. And on the third day again, I would have watched movies. Then again, I would regret that I have wasted my time. Then on the fourth day, I used to study a lot to compensate the loss of the previous day. So you have to know your limit. You have to know when to stop wasting time. Now, the third rule is sort out the topic of each subject you are weak at and have not studied even once and watched videos on YouTube. I watched several videos of the same topic which helped me to get the concepts better. But for physics, you should refer to reference. But for biology and chemistry, study only one book, that is NCERT very thoroughly. Each and every line should be studied very well. Do not change the book, because it is better to read one book 10 times than reading 10 books one time. Why so? Because the visualization power of human mind increases when we revise a topic from the same book. And coming to the last rule, that is the fourth rule, change the approach towards your study. Study for gaining knowledge instead of focusing on the marks of mock test. Always change your mindset of studying. Study for gaining knowledge and not for cracking NEET. When you will approach this mindset, then definitely you will be able to crack the NEET examination. After completing NCERT book only, then only go for other books. Prepare notes for biology and chemistry, but practice physics as much as you can. So with this, I want to conclude my video. I hope this video is helpful for you, all the NEET aspirants. And if you want to know more about NEET and more about some topics of biology, physics and chemistry, do comment in the comment section. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel if you find this channel helpful.